Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can move a sketch in Fusion 360. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the sketch that you want to go ahead and move. So in my case it's going to be this one, this one. And simply right after you could click on an object or you could click on the sketch right here. And to make things a lot easier, you can just hold shift on your keyboard and then you want to highlight everything that you want to move. So in my case, I'm going to move the entire circle. From there, navigate through the modify option, click move and copy. And from here, you could just use the arrow keys as the functionality in order to move it to wherever you want to. So let's then go ahead and click on OK. And simply from there, it will then move it into another spot. Finish sketch. Let's use orbit. And simply here we have it. Of course, you could customize this even further if you want to, but generally that's how you go ahead and do this easily. You can also navigate through the timeline where you can go ahead and look at your sketch, double click on it, and basically from here do the same thing. Modify, click on the move and copy, and then we can move it to wherever we want to. Okay, and you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.